All right, your furry friends are your constant companions, always there to play, cuddle, and care for you. So you want to make sure that you also care for them in return. Here with how you can take care of your pet in this week's Canine College is Dr. Nichols from Islandside Animal Hospital. So great to have you back.
Thank you.
We're talking about allergies this week, and they are very common. They can be very frustrating, of course, when it comes to our pets. So what are some common signs of allergies when it comes to our pets that we're looking for?
So the most common sign is itchy skin.
Okay.
And then sometimes we get rashes because of that itchy skin, because they're scratching and licking and chewing. And then kind of recurrent ear infections are actually a surprising sign of allergies
right.
too.
Yeah, we were just talking about that. It's you know, you think of an ear infection, you don't necessarily relate that to allergies, but you say that is possible.
Oh, yes.
I was also wondering, you know, we were just kind of chatting during the break. What is the difference like? Because I used to live in the north, in North Dakota, and I feel like the dogs never had allergies then. Yes. You know, it's a lot colder year round. You come here to Florida where the air is just a little bit different, and I feel like it's just that constant itching, constant irritation with my pet. So what is the difference between living in the north and maybe living in Florida with a pet?
Well, we call Florida the allergy capital because we have, we don't really have a true winter where, you know, we have snow and where we you know, most of our plants die off. So for dogs and cats that have allergies to things like plants, pollens, those kind of things, it's pretty much year round.
So we're really just not getting the relief that we would with the season change.
Exactly, exactly.
So I guess the question is, what can we do about it? Hopefully we can find relief in medications or something like that, right?
Exactly. And the important thing to remember is that just like in people, we're not really going to cure the allergies. So we have to keep that in mind. But there's lots of things we can do to manage it. And so, you know, antihistamines are a really easy way to start because they're readily available. You can get them from most drugstores. They're not very strong, so it depends on how allergic your pet is. And then if we need to go up, we have things like corticosteroids and some newer medications that can really help. And we also have allergy shots in animals too, just like in people.
So lots of options there.
There's actually a lot.
What is the point on where you say, okay, it's time to take our, you know, our furry family member into the vet? This is that constant itching. If he's not getting any relief, do you think that's a good time to maybe bring him in and get him checked up?
Yeah. Oftentimes I'll ask people, you know, are they waking themselves up at night scratching? Because that tells you a lot. They're that uncomfortable.
Right.
So yeah, that's usually a sign.
Well, you have Islandside Animal Hospital right here in Cape Coral and recently opened. How long have you guys been open now?
Just over, we opened January 16th.
Okay. So, are you taking new patients or do you take
absolutely.
walk-ins at the vet if somebody is noticing these signs and symptoms with their animals? Can they just maybe walk in, or obviously sometimes an appointment is always a little bit better? But
an appointment's nice, but we're happy to see you anytime. We're open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, you know.
And when it comes to regular vet checkups, how often should we be bringing our little companions in?
At least once a year, and sometimes twice a year, especially if they have kind of a chronic health concern that we need to keep our eye on. But
you know, you also talk. I have 3 dogs, so anyone out there also knows about heartworms too. And you just never know when something could creep up or something can change. So surely I would think at least a year to kind of get them checked up on.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much. It was great to have you on. And
thank you.
If you'd like to learn more about Dr. Nichols, you can head online and we'll have this interview posted. And if you have any questions about allergies, find us on social media. We want to hear your thoughts and questions. Our website is fox4morningblend.com. There are thousands of reasons why moms are always exhausted, but these next 2 perfect moms, perfect I say, are way too tired to list all of the problems. Up next, Kat and Nat give us some mom truth in their latest viral video, and Fox 4's Miriam Zamorano joins me for some chit chat. Stay with us.